Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If the WhatsApp notification not showing on your home screen, then I will show you how can you fix this issue. So firstly, you have to make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off and aeroplane mode is also turned off. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, and from here you have to open WhatsApp. And after that, what you need to do is just simply tap on notification, and you have to turn the toggle on for this, and you have to check all of them. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on WhatsApp notification settings. So you have to give your passcode, and you have to allow all of them. So after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply tap on reset notification, and again tap on reset. From here, after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply restart your phone, and after that, I guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.